Good morning. How have you been today? I'm doing pretty good myself, thank you. How about you? How has your day been so far? It's been great, thanks. How about your plans for today? I'm having to work this morning, but then later in the afternoon, I'll be meeting some friends for some lunch. It looks like the day is going to be pretty busy still. What are your plans for the day? I'm actually working in a store. It's not quite what I would call an exciting job, but it does help pay the bills. Oh, I see. And what do you like about your job? It's all right. It's not the best job out there, but it's a job for now. I see. And do you enjoy your job? It's not my favorite, but I like it as it's a job. I get that. It was actually nice talking to you. I hope you have a great day today.